Hey my loves, welcome back to our channel. I am so excited to join you all again, and I am here with another one from NiaWigs. Wigs came through with a headband wig, and let me tell y'all something. We are going through an entire week of no lace, and I am super excited about this. Okay, like super excited. So let's get on into her. This is Mother fresh from where? Up out the pack. This hair feels so nice. I have the headband wig. Okay, this is a human hair unit. You see the headband. So it's not quite a full cap. It's like a 3/4 cap, okay? So she has 3 combs in the front. 1, 2, 3, okay? 1 comb in the back. Adjustable straps, Wakanda forever. And look at the texture of this hair. We have her in 16 inches. This hair is just stunning. Now, the beautiful thing about purchasing one of these headband wigs is, guess what? You get headbands, okay, honey? You don't get 1, you don't get 2, you get 4. 4 headbands provided to you from NiaWigs when you purchase this unit. Now, this unit is going for about $155 and 16 inches, okay? But the hair is stunning. Stunning for the people in the bag, okay? So let's go ahead and just throw her on and see how long this takes us. This unit is so fire. The full installation takes maybe 30 seconds to a minute. It is so easy to do. You just want to throw her on and make sure you tighten that band in the back. Now, this unit is, the one that I have on is 16 inches. It's currently going for $155. I know that sounds expensive, but if you check the description box, I will have a coupon code sitting ready and waiting for you, okay? So this unit comes with a 4-pack of headbands. You get to pick between 2 different types. I have the paisley print ones, and I really do think this unit is beautiful. She did not tangle. She did not shed. The hair is a silky texture, which I like. I really cannot get enough of this. This is really the way to go in 2020. It's a pandemic, y'all. Throw her on and still be cute in the house, okay? This is her fresh out the pack. No headband on at all, okay? Seamless. Throw her on and go. Like, I cannot get enough of these units. Like, I really can't. So, I love the ease of this, okay? You can throw her up in a pony. So what I will say that I absolutely love about this, like the cap is so snug on this, and I really, really do enjoy that. Like, I feel like she's safe, she's secure. I can go running, you know what I mean? Exercise, and she is still hanging out. So let's go on ahead and get into these headbands. Listen now, we have come through. I done gave y'all all the Mammy Tam headbands. I ain't got nothing else to say to y'all. Like, nothing at all, okay? They done came through over at NiaWigs and gave us all the options. And not only did they give us options, they gave us a coupon code. So if you're looking to get you a headband wig, just down. Subscribe to this Mammy Tam channel, okay? Look in the description box and make sure that you check out NiaWigs.com for this one, okay? Because they came through with the come through. Get into her. Get in the mama. I live for this option. Live, okay? And I will see you beautiful mugs later.